It's funny, John. There are so many banks all around the world. Yet, your experience at one bank can be very different depending on the kind of approach the bank takes.
I completely agree. So tell me what you think.
Depending on whether the bank is taking a bureaucratic approach to serve its clients or a customer-focused one, you can leave very happy or you can leave feeling helpless and frustrated with the different banks.
Okay, so tell me a little bit more about the customer-focused approach.
You know what I mean, John? Is that has bank invested in the customer? Do they understand the needs of the customer? For example, imagine an uneducated woman going to the bank because she wants to open a saving account or she wants to save money. She's given a form but doesn't know how to fill it out. Nobody is there to help her, so there is no opportunity for her to save.
So how do you think this compares to branchless banking?
Consumer education can give a branchless banking customer that personalized experience. It's very important that people acknowledge you and that they are open to answering your questions and they can help you with the things like filling out the forms. That's the key for customer to trust and feel comfortable with your branchless banking services. Without it, branchless banking can be scary. Let's take Zuna in Zambia. Currently, Zuna provides loan disbursement service in partnership with Vision Fund, a local microfinance institution.
So were they offering this service using a customer-focused approach or the traditional bureaucratic approach?
Well, John, now it's customer-focused. But before, some of the customer felt like they were just another transaction number. So, John, let's imagine you are a Zambian small shop owner who has been taking loans.
A Zambian small shop owner.
Yes. Say one day, your loan officer tells you that you will now be receiving loans through a Zuna agent and communicating with them via SMS with your mobile phone. You return home anxious to see how it works. But the next day, you go to collect your loan at the Zuna agent shop. And after waiting in line, you are told that there is no cash available because you did not come on the right scheduled day. You go home frustrated. Then 2 days later, you come back and wait in the line again, only to be told that you don't have the proper documents and you cannot get your loan. You start to have fears about using the service, and to make matters worse, agent can't answer all your questions. Finally, when you come back the third time, you get your loan. But by this time, you are miserable and have concerns about using Zuna and branchless banking in general.
Oh, I don't like being a Zambian shop owner in that situation at all. So, Chetna, how does Zuna use consumer education to offer somebody like me a helpful and friendly service? As a Zambian shop owner, I don't want to just be another transaction number.
Well, after incorporating consumer education into their program, Zuna was able to better communicate to customers when to come to get your loan as quickly as possible and how to use the electronic loan disbursement process. Zuna was encouraging staff to answer customer questions and offering personalized services. This led to shorter wait times and less confusion.
So instead of 3 trips, you could receive your loan disbursement on the first try.
Yes, and with all your questions answered.
Now, that's what I consider good customer service, just like what the lady who was trying to save needed. That's the type of customer-focused approach that makes me, as a Zambian shop owner, happy.
Well, John, you're not the only one. Zuna staff and agent found that not only were clients happier and less anxious to use the service, they were also making transactions faster and starting to use other Zuna service like remittances.
From Zuna's perspective, we found that the number of calls that used to come in regarding Vision Fund queries had drastically dropped. And we say it's because the people were trained and therefore they knew what they were supposed to do.
The impact the consumer education program had on when we're paying out the loans was that we had fewer questions now from the customers because they understood the process. And then we also had quicker transactions when paying out the loans.
Vision Fund also found out that clients who had received consumer education were better managing their debt. They asked for smaller increases in their loan amounts than people who did not receive consumer education.
During the training, there was a use of posters, which helped us understand more on how we can access loans and also collect the money through Zona service.
ndimaziba yobweza ndimaziba yosunga ndimaziba neopistiriza kodira business amene machita.
So it sounds like consumer education is really good for business because it helps you provide good customer service, making clients feel happy and welcome. So it can also help them to better manage their debt.
Yes, exactly, John. And we know that happy customers use more services and don't complain.
The consumer education helps the way in which clients repay their loan because now they are able to make full payments and also they were able to know the right amounts of the loan that they needed. So from those amounts, they are able to get an amount which they are able to repay, meaning that now it reduced the portfolio at risk.
Zona would really consider using a similar tool because the approach is a practical one. It is something that can easily benefit the client and also help the agent at the end of the day.
In a nutshell, our analysis showed that those who were involved in consumer education had a better repayment rate than those who were not involved, which is a huge, positive for our business.